we're doing quite the opposite. We've had 2 months now in a row that are just absolute record sat stacking from our users that they're going to look back, and a lot of them are going to have earned on rewards more than most people have in their life savings. And that's really special to be able to have. But it was not always easy to run that path, especially in bull markets. And so in a bear market, this is the time to appreciate the decisions you make and staying true to Bitcoin.
On that similar note, is it on ideology? You don't go down the so-called capitalist road that other companies might offer, like Celsius or something, or is it like your Bitcoin ethics that stops you? I mean, is it risk? Do you think about risk and how to safeguard your company in a bear market, or do you think that's not who I am?
It's about risk tolerance in a way, and being both being someone who's ideologically originally drawn to Bitcoin for some of its founding principles, and inspires and guides a lot of how I try to run this business as well, and that affects the decisions I make. It's not very hard at all to plug our user deposits into these yield bearing
I know
Ponzi
that's why I'm
schemes.
asking.
And doing so, in fact, in a bull market time, would probably lead to 3, 4, 5x multiples
in the bull market. Everybody is a genius. Everybody's a genius. Everything works perfectly.
That's it. And now, so there's what I'm saying is I can tell you it's ideological, but I can also say that there's real skin in the game, because Fold could have been pumping up our valuation by doing these, throwing up some very significant early short-term gains that could have allowed us to go to VCs and say, hey, VC, we're not Bitcoin only anymore. Look, we're playing the game you want us to play.